Yes, dear children, in the previous class I have discussed about exercise 3.6. In that first main question it is completed, I hope. Today I will discuss about the second main question. That is, formulate the following problems as pair of equations and hence find their solutions. Yes, first question is, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 20 km 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. Solution is, downstream you take x plus y kilometer per hour and upstream you take x minus y kilometer per hour. Okay, yes. The speed of rowing in still water, let x be the speed of rowing in still water and y be the speed of current. Therefore 20 divided by downstream x plus y is equals to 2 hours. Okay, you take this denominator into this side, it becomes 20 is equals to 2 into x plus y. 2 into x 2x, 2 into y 2y equals to 20. Call it as equation number 1. And downstream it is completed. Upstream 4 kilometer in 2 hours upstream. Therefore 4 divided by x minus y equals to 2 hours. You take this denominator into this side, it becomes 4 is equals to 2 into x minus y. 2 into x 2x minus 2 into y 2y equals to 4. This is equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2, yes, you take equation number 1 is 2x plus 2y equal to 20, 2x plus 2y equals to 20. This is 2x minus 2y is equals to 4. Already their sign changed are there. Okay, it means positive 2y negative 2y get cancelled. 2x plus 2x it becomes 4x is equals to 24 here. 4 1s are 4 6 are x is equals to 6. What is this x? The speed of the rowing. This is 6 kilometer per hour. This is what kilometer per hour. Okay, and then put this x equals to, put x is equals to 6 kilometer per hour in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is, therefore 2x plus 2y is equals to 20. This 2y is equals to 20 minus 2x, y is equals to 20 minus 2x divided by 2. Therefore y is equals to 20 minus 2 into 6 divided by 2. 20 minus 2 6 is 12 divided by 2 equals to 8 divided by 2. 2 1 is 2 4 is. Therefore y is equals to 4 kilometer per hour. Okay, what is this? Speed of current. Therefore speed of rowing, speed of row is 6 kilometer per hour and speed of current is 4 kilometer per hour. Like this, you take second one. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. Okay, yes, you take x be the work done by women and y be the work done by man. Okay, for day it is. Okay, yes, you take like this, that equations, algebraic expressions. 2 divided by x plus 5 divided by y is equals to, in how many days they can finish the embroidery work? In 4 days. Okay, therefore you take 2 divided by x plus 5 divided by y is equals to 1 divided by 4. This is equation number 1. This is about question number 2. You take like this, 2 divided by x plus 5 divided by y equals to 1 divided by 4. Okay, and second algebraic representation is 3 divided by x plus 6 divided by y equals to 1 divided by 3. Okay, you have to rearrange these expressions in the general form of linear equations into variables. Then it means you have to reduce these expressions into linear form. Then you have to solve these equations, you will get the answer. Okay, and question number 3 is, Ruhi travels 300 kilometers to her home partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours. If she travels 60 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus, if she travels 100 kilometers by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. 10 minutes longer, it means what? 4 hours 10 minutes she can take. Yes, find the speed of the train and the bus separately. Okay, see, total distance is 300 kilometer. 300 kilometer. Out of 300 kilometer, she takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometer by train and remaining by bus, in the sense 60 kilometer by train, the speed, okay, the speed of train is x kilometer per hour and speed of bus is y kilometer per hour. Like this you take, x be the speed of the train and y be the speed of the bus. Okay, therefore a total 300 kilometer it is there. 60 divided by, okay, x, 60 divided by x plus 240 divided by y equals to 300, you take it. This is first expression. You have to reduce it into linear form. And second one is, second part, 100 divided by x plus 200 divided by y is equals to 10 minutes longer. 10 minutes longer in the sense, yes, 10 minutes longer. Minutes, in minutes it is given there, 4 hours it is given. Okay, 4 hour equals to how many minutes? 4 6 are 24, 240 minutes, isn't it? Okay, 240 minutes. Okay, and then here 10 minutes longer, it means she is taking 10 minutes more. Okay, yes, therefore 4 hours 10 minutes she is taking, right? In the second part of the question, she is taking 4 hours 10 minutes. Okay, 240 plus 10. Okay, yes, you have to it becomes 250 minutes, so you have to convert it in the hours. Okay, it means 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, that becomes 250 divided by 60. Okay, yes, you take 10 6 are 10, 25 are 225, isn't it? 250, therefore it becomes 25 divided by 6 hours. Okay, yes, there you take second expression, 100 divided by x plus 200 divided by y is equals to 25 divided by 6. You have to convert or reduce these algebraic expressions to its linear form. Then you have to solve that linear equations, you will get the answers. Okay, thank you.